Exness affiliate tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Exness affiliate program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to exnessaffiliates.com. Or alternatively, you can simply click the link in the description below, and you will be directed on this page. But before that, if you don't know Exness, it is a foreign exchange trading platform and brokerage firm that allows traders to buy and sell currencies in the global foreign exchange market, in which it provides a platform for individuals and institutional clients to trade various financial instruments, including currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. And from here, if you became a partner or affiliate of Exness, here are some of the benefits that you can get, in which they pay to first-time deposit up to $1,850 based on the country, platform, and the size of deposit your referral makes. And the minimum first-time deposit is $10. And they also accept traffic from more than 130 countries. And they also offer daily payouts and extra bonuses for the best performance. And below here, it will show you some of the reason why you should join the affiliate program of Exness, in which below here it will show you that they are a trusted market leader, and Exness broker are regulated by FSA and other organization, and they also accept traffic from all platforms such as web, iOS, and even Android. And they provide promotional tools and materials to help you attract clients, and they offer detailed real-time statistics, API, postbacks. And aside from that, below here it will show you various payment systems that you could also use, such as Bitcoin, Unipay, Neteller, MasterCard, Perfect Money, Skrill, and Visa. So basically, Exness offers an affiliate program that allows individuals or organizations to earn commission by referring new clients to the platform. And here are some of the step-by-step process in which you direct the traffic that customers make deposit and trade. And after that, you will get a commission. So that's how the affiliate program works of Exness, in which it is designed to incentivize individuals with networks or expertise in marketing to promote Exness services in exchange for a share of revenue generated from a traders they refer. And now, to start joining to the affiliate program of Exness, just proceed by clicking the Start Now button below here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And to register, you will see here that the selected affiliate program allows you to send traffic to Exness trading area and receive commission for every user that becomes an active client. And below here, to register, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as your email, your nickname, and you also need to create your password, which is between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and lower case letter, and at least one number, and also at least one special character. And you're also required to select either individual or company as your legal status, and of course your country of residence. And after that, you're also required to select your sources of traffic for your leads with your social media, in-app, native, pop, video, push, banner, email, and any other option that you can choose to select as a traffic sources for your leads. But if you also want to add custom source, you can do so by simply clicking this plus button right here that says Add Custom Source. And below here, you could also enter your website if applicable, but that is just only an optional. Then just proceed by clicking the Submit button in order to apply to the affiliate program of Exness. But before that, make sure that you also read the customer agreement and the terms and conditions before joining to the affiliate program of Exness, in which by clicking on the hyperlink, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you some of the things that you need to know before joining to the affiliate program of Exness. It includes here some of the things that are prohibited and some of the things that you must do. Then just proceed by clicking the Submit button to proceed. And you also need to remember that the commission structures of Exness is that affiliates earn commission based on the trading activity of the clients they refer to Exness. So the commission structure may vary depending on factors such as the trading volume or referred clients, and the type of accounts they open, and the revenue model chosen by the affiliates such as CPA, which is cost per acquisition, revenue sharing, and hybrid models. And now, after submitting your application to Exness affiliate program, if you got accepted to be part of their affiliate program, they will email you as soon as possible for the result if you are eligible to be part of their program. And let's say you are eligible to be part of their affiliate program of Exness, you will get a traffic link, in which you will use that traffic link in order to promote the Exness platform. And also, there's a lot of ways that you could also promote the Exness using the traffic link as your traffic sources for your leads, such as by posting on your social media account such as on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, which included the traffic link or referral link that might help you to refer other people to join Exness, and you can start earning commission after they start trading using your referral link. Or alternatively, you could also use banner using some of the platform such as on Canva if you go to canva.com. And let's say we want to create an Instagram Reels and we're looking for a specific template, we can do so by going on the search bar of Canva and just enter Instagram Reels. And below are the result of some of the template that you could also use. But if you want to start from scratch, you can do so by also clicking this create blank button. Then you will be directed on this page, in which on the left side panel you can start creating or adding some of the photos that you could also integrate or include in your Instagram Reels. And since Exness is a trading platform, we're going to search on photos under elements of online trading. Or you could also add videos if you want to. And as you can see on the left side panel, here are some of the results of online trading. And to select this, just click on it and just simply drag it to your blank Canva. And after that, it will show you that the video has now been added, in which that video is about online trading. You could also resize the video in order to fit it in your Canva. And aside from that, you could also use some other elements, including text, images, design, background image, color, and other editing tools that you could also do in order to make an appealing Instagram Reels that might grab the attention of your audience in order to join to Exness using your referral link with the help of these Instagram Reels as your source of leads. Or alternatively, you could also choose some templates in here in order to make your Reels more appealing to audience. And aside from creating Instagram Reels, you could also promote Exness platform by creating a banner, Facebook ads, and many more. So let's try to make Facebook ads or Facebook posts in here. So kindly click this Facebook post template, and I'm going to choose the blank one in order to start from scratch. In which from here, we could also do the same process, which is by looking for some elements that we could also use on the left side panel, such as photos, color, text, images, video, and many more. Now going back to this page, in terms of commission payouts, the commission earned by affiliates are typically paid out on a regular basis such as monthly or weekly, depending on the affiliate program's terms. Payouts may be made via various methods including bank transfers, e-wallets, or other payment processors supported by Exness. So basically, Exness affiliate program offers a way for individuals or organizations to monetize their marketing efforts and earn commissions by referring new clients to the platform. And some of the benefits of it including additional income, no trading experience required, flexible work schedule, and also the support and resources offered by Exness. So that is just basically how you can join the Exness affiliate program. Thank you.